What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a classic men's fragrance, Tabac. But before we get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button down below, subscribing to my channel, and also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Both of those help me out immensely, and we are well on the way towards 1,000 subscribers, the glory that is 1,000 subs. We're getting there, and I have nothing but thanks for everyone that supported me, comments, likes, all that jazz. It really does mean the world. So as for Tabac Original, this has been around since 1959, and I'll just read out what it says on the back of the packaging. Tabac Original Eau De Toilette, the unmistakable and timeless fragrance for men. Tabac Original provides men with a distinct feeling of freshness and an individual aura of discreet, masculine grooming. Masculine, striking, unmistakable. The packaging is quite old-fashioned, but I do like the contrast here. And the bottle, you've probably all seen the bottle by now. Here is Tabac. It reminds me of Old Spice, at least aesthetically. Now that we've covered the aesthetics of Tabac, let's give it a smell. Atomizer is quite solid, I've got to be honest. As for the fragrance itself, at least initially, it's barbershoppy, aromatic, it's old school, it's very masculine, it's very in your face with how masculine this is. This isn't the type of scent that's going to appeal to a younger audience. I'm sure there's going to be a niche amongst the younger audience that really digs the old school masculine vibes that Tabac has, but for the most part I think this is a decidedly more mature scent. It's aromatic and there's not a lot of sweetness here. There is a touch of tobacco, but it's more on the back end and I don't get a huge amount of it. I get more florals up the front and then some spiciness. It's quite nice though, and it reminds me of, again, Old Spice, both in terms of the aesthetics of the bottle and the fragrance itself. It also reminds me of Drakkar Noir, Hugo Boss No. 1, and Paco Rabanne for him. I reckon the performance for this one's actually going to be pretty solid. I don't expect it to be a 24-hour beast mode scent, but I do expect about 6 hours at least. Yeah, this is very old school, barbershoppy. It almost has a shaving cream sort of smell to it. What I love about fragrances like Tabac is how versatile they are. I can imagine this being just as viable in summer as I can in winter, and obviously spring and autumn are pretty appropriate for it as well. For $15 Australian at Priceline, keep in mind that was a sale price, but I do often see this on sale for $15 at Priceline. It's an easy recommendation if you're looking to add an old school fragrance to your collection, but you maybe don't want to spend about $40 like you would on something like Drakkar Noir, for example. Anyway, I think the Eau De Toilette of Tabac is well worth checking out, especially at that $15 price point. If you've ever worn it before, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to hear what you guys think about this old school one in particular. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.